simply just remove our airline. They just screw apart. When you get your new compressor, you'll have a bag that has a bunch of extras in. So as you can see, that's starting to get dirty. So it is doing its job, catching the water and the dirt coming, the oil coming from the compressor. And then here's your new. Simply just replace it. And then take a look at your O-ring, make sure it's okay. It looks pretty good. And just reattach your second half of your airline. Tighten her up so it don't leak on you. Reattach it to your compressor.